6.7 chapter review. Let's quickly review about this whole chapter. We summarize of the key points. The cosine rule to find a missing side if we know two sides, and the angle when you use this formula and can be rewritten by cosine A equal this formula. 3 and 4 is goes about the sine rule. Yeah, the A over sine A equal B over sine C and equal C over sine. So we flipped are all the same of a sine rule. So we have the possible to solution about the missing angle sine theta equal sine 180 over theta, because theta 180 over theta, they have same value, the y-axis. Okay, and finally we have used the area of the triangles formula. When we about this transformation of the sine, cosine, and tangent angle, so the graphs would be a period from 180, 0, 180, and 60, because the max value is 1, the minimum value is -1. So you'll be repeated 1 minus 1. So you'll be like repeated about this angle. Okay. About the cosine maximum is 1, the minimum is -1. So will be repeated like this period. About the tangent is very clearly disputing. So we have known the asymptotes when the 90 asymptote is 90. So negative 90 degree. So repeat it about this asymptotes. Okay, let's do some exercise to enhance about best keys summaries. Okay, so in A, B, say AB, BC, C is length and angle. Let's write it. Will be like A, B, C, 10 square root 5 times 30 is 50 degrees. So we have to use the find the value of A. So definitely we can use the cosine. Cosine A, B, C will be 10 squared times A times square root of 3 minus 5 times square root of 3 all square over 2 times 10 times A square of 3. This cosine 50 will be square root 3 over 2. So solve this equation. A would be equal 15. Okay, so this is 15 times square root of 3. So find area. We'll use this the sine question. Okay, sine A, B, C times AB times BC. So it would be like sine 150 degrees times 10 times 15 all square. So it will be approximately equal 64.95 is the final answer. Okay, let's do another exercises. The longest side triangle have length blah blah blah, another side is blah blah blah, and the final length of blah blah. So the largest angles over 50. So we will count the value. We have sketched a roughly the triangle of 2T. maybe this is 2x minus 1 longest, and another side x minus 1, x plus 1. So we have no 3 sides, 1 angle. We have to use the cosine rule, right? So the cosine 1 over 120 equal x minus 1 all square plus x plus 1 all square minus 2x minus 1 all square over 2 times x minus 1 and x plus 1. The cosine 120 1 over 2. So solve this equation. So finally answer x would be 2. So the final answer x will be 2. So we solve this area will be 1 over 2. This is x minus 1, x plus 1. Substituting 2 in here. And sine this angle, okay? So the final answer would be x only 2, substituting here. Final answer would be like 3 times square root 3 over 4, roughly. Use calculate would be 1.299. This final answer. Yes. Finally, graphs questions. Solve the graphs. So the diagram shows y equal fx when a blah blah and b p blah 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 and c blah 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 and d blah blah the maximum. So given the y, so this is y or fx equals sine x plus k. So k is inside. It would be like it would be affect the x-axis, so it would be like move left at like a k unit. So when sine 120 x means 120 plus k would be like 0 in a y 0, so it would be like in sine this sine 90 equal 1, sine 180 equal 0, and sine 270 minus 1. So this would be 0, so it would be like 20 degree plus k equal 180. So k would be 60. So k in here would be 60 degrees. So the final answer would be like fx equals sine x plus 60. So d, so 60, the inside will not affect the y-axis, so the d's maximum is 1. So originally, exercise point was 360 degree, so it would be like x plus 60 equal 360, so x would be 300, so p value in here is 300 degree and 0. About the q will be easy. So when x equals 0, so it would be, say, would be like y would be sine 60 degree, so it would be like square root 3 over 2. So this is 0, square root of 3 over 2. This is C point. D point is 0. Oh, it's So coordinate 0, the maximum is 1, so it would be like 30 degree 1, and A is 100 and 0, and P is 300 degree and 0. Easy, right? Thanks for watching. Thank you. So if you have any question about this whole chapter, you can send email to me, okay? My email address here. Thanks for watching. Thank you.